Bahasa Inggris, storytelling. My little family. My name is Clara. I'm 9 years old. I have 2 younger brothers and they are twins. I also have an older sister. My mother is a teacher and my father is a lecturer. My parents are very strict and disciplined. My siblings are independent to do daily activities. They wash their own clothes and so do I. We are taught to be tough and independent since we are kids. I love my family very much. I learned many things from my parents and my siblings. We are also taught to take care of each other. I go a private junior high school in Bandar Lampung. The school is Islamic school. I learned how to recite Al-Quran. I also learned how to speak and write Arabic. My parents concern on their children religion foundation. My sibling and I go to the same school. My twin brothers are good at playing badminton. My parents concern on their children religious foundation. My sibling and I go to the same school. My twin brothers are good at playing badminton. They are assigned to represent our school in the junior badminton open competition. My older sister is good at swimming and often wins swimming competition. I have a different passion from them. I don't like sport. I like cooking and singing. My parents say that I have beautiful voice and my cooking is good. I gain my motivation and feel inspired to be singer and chef at the same time. As teenager, I often change my future wish. Sometimes I want to be a news presenter and doctor. At the same time, I don't know why I seem greedy to have 2 jobs at once. I am only a teenager who is easy change my mind. Despite our busy daily activities, my parents never forget to have quality time with their children. We regularly spend our weekend somewhere, for example, beach, cottage, cinema, mall, and many other places that we like and new to try. I can't even show more how happy I am to be born in this family. Besides, we also have a special day when the kids can ask questions about something in our mind, for example, phenomenon around us or something that is considered as taboo. My parents building making question habit and ask us to think critically. We usually do that on Friday night. My mom always accompany us when we are studying every night. Meanwhile, my father is usually busy with his preparation to give lecture, but he also will help us when we have a question for him.